Here's how to fix a blurry story on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram, you're trying to upload a story, but it keeps showing up as blurry or pixelated, and it's not clear and crisp like you took it on your phone. I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go into Instagram itself. And on here, we need to check some settings. So tap on the profile button at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the very top right. Now that we are into the settings, we need to scroll down, and essentially we're going to change the quality on Instagram. Now you can see here midway down is media quality. Tap on that and it gives you some options. One is upload at the highest quality. This is key. It says always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. So turn that on, and you might want to make sure use less cell data is turned off. Now, the next thing that we need to do now that we've changed this setting in Instagram is make sure you have a good enough internet connection to be able to upload those videos that might be a couple hundred megabytes. So let's open up a web browser here. Oh, I already had it, but let's type in speed test and hit run speed test. I want to check to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. Anything over, say, 10 megabytes per second should be fast enough to be able to upload a video, even if it's a large video. However, the next thing I would recommend doing is making sure the quality is turned up on your phone's camera. So to do that, let's go into Instagram, or not Instagram, into the settings rather. And we will scroll down until we find apps, tap on apps. And then we want to find camera. So you can see on here, oh, maybe it is back here. Where is that camera? Where to go? There it is, right under Apple Intelligence. Tap on camera. And now you can see record video. I want to tap on that. Now, if you have it set to, say, 720p, you can see that's the lowest resolution for this camera. You might want to switch it up to 4K at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. And then on here, you might want to turn on HDR. And then you can see here, record slow-mo or cinematic or sound. You might want to make all of these up to 4K. So switch all of them up to 4K so that you have the highest quality video when you're taking it on your phone, your iPhone or your Android. And then when you're uploading it to Instagram, it will also include the highest quality now that it's been uploaded and we switched it to prefer the highest quality. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.